Hello and welcome to Mr. Panza's 7 Habits website, where we answer the question, how do we live the 7 habits? You can see that there are different individuals attached with each habit here on this page, from habit 1 all the way through habit 6. I'm here to navigate you through this page so you can successfully use the page to complete a presentation project using Google Slides by the end of this unit. Let's take a look. You can see that habit 1 is be proactive. Milton Hershey, I believe, represents be proactive. You're to watch a video on him, then a second video on him, and then answer the paperwork that's attached down here. Now, I want to be clear that there are 2 totally different links. The first link is the actual paperwork. When you open it, you'll see our main question and some of the other workbook pages that I've used, but your focus is going to be right here, how this person, Milton Hershey, was proactive and how you are proactive in your life. Now, there are 2 separate pieces of paperwork here. The paperwork that I just showed you was this link on the left, which is always under the first video. The other link, which is a picture located here on the right, are the answers to the questions about the individual that we're studying. So after you've watched these videos and you've either talked here in class with Mr. Panza or you need to fill in the answer sheets, click on the answers and make sure that your answers are correct and match up, or that your answers actually match my answers here. So again, there are 2 totally separate pieces of paperwork. On the left-hand side, that's just the paperwork. On the right-hand side, we have the answers. And this continues for all of the habits. Habit 2, Charles Demuth. Here's the paperwork on the left, underneath the first video. Under the second video, we have the answers on the right. Habit 3 is Ann Byler. Paperwork after the video number 1, answers after video number 2. Habit 4, Think Win-Win, is represented by Robert Fulton. Notice that the first video is not on Fulton at all. This is actually supposed to represent thinking win-win in a competitive opportunity. The Fulton video is on the right, and it's still accompanied by paperwork on the left, and then a picture with the answers on the right. This continues for Habit 5, Seek First to Understand, with Susan Campbell Bartoletti, the author, videos, and the links underneath. Finally, Habit 6 is Synergize, about James Buchanan, his paperwork underneath video 1, the answers underneath video 2. And then Sharpen the Saw. Sharpen the Saw doesn't have an individual with it because I believe that Sharpen the Saw is all about living the habits. And once again, the paperwork here, living the habits, answers right here, and we connect it all together in this picture, clicking all of the different individuals and how they are habits of successful people. Finally, once we've filled in all of that paperwork, you're going to use it to create a presentation. So there are a couple more videos that you will use in order to make sure that your presentation is clear, complete, and correct. Setting up your presentation is the video here, and then adding some nice little pieces to that presentation is the one on the right. Hope this video helps navigate my website as we move through the Leader in Me presentation project. Thanks. Have a good night.